Jose the Cruise Lovers got approved from the Vietnam visa. I just applied a few days ago, like 4 days ago, because I'm gonna travel with Celebrity Cruise. I'm gonna be in Vietnam, so I just got approved. I just printed out my paperwork. I received it in the website, the electronic visa, and it's valid for 1 month. So I'm gonna be less than 1 month. Obviously, I'm gonna be like 2 weeks around Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore, and Hong Kong. So I just got approved. So I'm so excited and wait for my videos in Vietnam. If you wanna know what did I do to get the approval in the website and everything, just hit me up, give me a message, and I will explain you what is the website. I'm gonna leave the website here in my description, and I can explain you a little bit what did I do with all the information that you need to fill out to get your Vietnam visa approval.